Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome you all. I am Dr. Shabir Hussain. Hope you will be fine in this pandemic situation of COVID 19. It is dire need of the situation to keep and maintain the social distancing and need to stay at home to save you, your family, and others in your vicinity. We hope that soon we will get rid from this situation by cooperation and by follow the guideline given by the health department. Today we will try to discuss that how positively we can spend the leisure time. First of all, we need to give maximum time to our families and children while need to provide maximum support by all aspects to the vulnerable community in your surrounding and must do an action research project in your community to solve any single problem in the community. Uh, how positively utilize this lockdown time? uh, it depends upon individual. Either you are a student, researcher, academician, or any employee in a government or private sector organization. If you are an employee or a student or researcher, check the weaknesses you have in your professional activities and a daily routine life. So you can utilize this great opportunity to overcome this deficiency by multiple ways. But the question is how we can. There are different famous international institutes who are offering free online certificate courses almost in all journal and technical subjects. For example, Stanford University, Iversity, Future Learner, OpenCoursera, British Council, and many more. Uh, I have shared the direct online information and website links in the below the details of this video. Go through online courses offer and select the course which will be relevant to your field and most important for your career. Then go through the study scheme of the course details to check the relevancy. If it is suitable for you, you can sign up and register in that online course and start the learning activity by following the guideline provided by the relevant course coordinator. Once you registered by your email, you have to listen the lectures and then solve the proposed activities in the given time frame. So you need to complete each task given by the course coordinator in time. That is important to get certification from an international institute. Your active participation in all given activities in that course and on time completion will polish your existing skills and will be beneficial for your career. If you will succeed to accomplish any of the single course relevant to your practical field, then this will be provide great assistance to your routine activities and plus point in your job interviews if you are going to appear in any job interview in future. If you are a researcher, you can write a review article in your research field or any other topic. If you really need guidance, you can consult any of the relevant mentors regarding the review writing. Anyone can write review article in any stage, even if you are in graduation level. The review paper will be a great addition in your CV and beneficial for your research. The researcher and academician can generate collaborations and write project by utilizing this time which you can submit in any funding agency in future. If you are a graduate or currently in graduation, you can plan accordingly or plan to avail an international scholarship for higher studies. We will discuss in our upcoming talk how to hunt an international scholarship. Uh, if you face any difficulty in any of the mentioned tasks, feel free to comment in comment section of this video. Our SKF team will try to address the issue. If you know any program or opportunity which will be beneficial for the community and youth development, you can share the detailed activity and the link in the comment section of this video. Kindly share and subscribe this channel and ring the bell for upcoming talks and information. See you next time. Stay at home and stay safe. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.